Here we are at Shannon's house. What a great day for a makeover. It's actually gonna be a 2-day makeover. We're gonna do the upstairs today, the downstairs next week because it's kind of a larger project. So we're making over her master bedroom. We're gonna make it an oasis. She's a single mom, 4 kids, entrepreneur, busy, and just needs a little help getting her house together. So we are gonna take care of her. She's coming home tonight and we're gonna reveal the upstairs to her. She flies in at 7 and I am gonna be waiting by the phone so when she lands, I can head back over here and be here for the reveal. We're gonna have candles lit and it's actually her birthday today, so maybe we'll even sing to her. Okay, come on upstairs. Let me show you what we're doing today. All right, here we are in Shannon's bedroom. The goal is to create an oasis in here. She's a single mom with 4 kids. We're gonna take out this 4-poster bed. We're gonna keep this dresser. It was actually given to her by her mom. But this dresser is just kind of bulky. So we're gonna open it up. We got a cool rounded bookcase that we're gonna showcase some of her motivational books. And then above it, I've had a local artist commissioned to do a wing painting. So just giving her new flight into her new life. Oh, here we are. The bed's almost apart. I think by taking down this 4-poster bed and putting in a headboard, that it's just gonna make this room seem even bigger. We're gonna do grays and pinks, and it will really be an oasis. I cannot wait for her to see it. So we are in the bathroom and there's so much that is gonna happen. The light bulbs, I don't know if you can get this on video, but they don't match. So just simply matching the light bulbs. This vanity it's not terrible and we're not ready to update it completely, but you know, just by switching out these handles, I ordered some gold handles on Amazon and they were inexpensive and it's gonna make a big difference. The other thing is this mauve is not the prettiest, but we ordered some wallpaper and we're gonna wallpaper this bathroom so that the mauve just jumps out and will actually be an accent piece to be really cool. All right, let's go to the office. Storage seems to be an issue in the office. We have all these notebooks piled up, but really, I think these could easily fit down here and we could take out these tchotchkes and tchotchkes. I think that's what my grandma called them, but anyhow, we can put these on the shelf and make them look cute. We could even put, just bringing up some of the happy things that she can see and then putting all this paperwork in for storage. There's a lot of white bookcases in the office, and I think by narrowing down and streamlining, that it's just gonna be more open in here. So we're gonna take these books out, we're gonna put them on the shelves and in the storage, and then just get rid of this thing. Oh yeah, this says Diva Ring right on the front of this thing. All right, well she actually does video conferencing, so it's a fabulous light to make her look super pretty. But we're gonna set up a station so that in the background is a really pretty vignette, so that you have this beautiful light and then a vignette in the background. U-Haul back yet because the queen headboard was supposed to be a king headboard. Remember we even measured it and they were like, oh no, it's the king. It's not. So we're gonna have to go back to Nadu. Nadu. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, this is Shannon. This is whose house we're making over. This was her a couple years ago. She has lost over 100 pounds and this is what she looks like now. She is so gorgeous. Not only on the outside, but seriously a beautiful person on the inside. And that's why this makeover is so awesome. She deserves this so much. Peel and stick wallpaper is actually a great solution to add a little color and texture to a room. She had this installed by someone that didn't know what they were doing, so it doesn't line up, which is kind of a bummer. So we're gonna take it down and we're gonna put up this more sophisticated feeling, silvery, metallic wallpaper. It's gonna be fantastic! Yay! Do it, yeah! All right, we're headed to Target. The wallpaper didn't line up, so we need to get some more and just some last minute items. Target is amazing. Honestly, if you want to know what's trending, just go to Target. So the last house we did hunter green, and now we're doing pink and gray, and I feel like whatever we pick, we go to Target and there's a million things in that genre. Joanna Gaines is at Target. Hello. The Magnolia section, there's amazing design stuff. So this is the client's bedding and it's beautiful. But what we were finding is that if the nightstands are gray and the headboard's gray and the bedding is gray, there just wasn't enough contrast. So we're gonna bring in this pink bedding. It's super light, dusty pink, and then use this as an accent at the foot of the bed. And then a little pro tip, we're gonna take it out of the dryer just before it's finished drying so that we can really smooth out all the wrinkles and then we don't have to iron it. See you later. I commissioned a local artist named Kate, and she brought a wing painting. Kate! Oh my gosh! That is amazing!
I brought you wings.
Look at that! Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she
that's
flies
incredible.
with her own wings.
So I'm thinking that it's gonna go right here. Ah, with the light on it. It's so
Wonderful.
pretty.
Yeah.
This was not part of the project, but I feel like if you're gonna do the bedroom and you're gonna do the bathroom, you might as well do the closet. So what we did is we just simply organized things. We put the longer things so that they weren't all bunched up. They were kind of over here bunched up and they weren't hanging real straight. We organized by color, and then we moved this bulky dresser into the closet so that the bedroom had a lighter feel and that it wasn't so bulky. And then we also hung a mirror, and then she can hang some of her jewelry stuff. It's gonna be fabulous. She's gonna be so excited. Hi! Come on up!
Okay, here I come! Oh my gosh, I already love it. I see some beautiful things.
So this room is your new oasis, new memories, new beginnings.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so perfect. Thank you so much. I love it so much.
She flies with her own wings is actually the Oregon state motto.
Oh my gosh.
Do you believe that? Huh?
That is just, I don't even have words.
Come check out your bathroom.
My bathroom. Oh my gosh, I love the color. I love it. Oh my gosh, I never thought that this bathroom could look
Right? It was kind of
You brought up like the mauve and
yeah.
yes.
And the handles.
Yes, I love it so much.
I mean, it's like really pretty now.
it's so pretty.
And I love this.
So before you said the office was somewhere that you didn't really want to spend time because it wasn't very exciting.
Yes.
So
I love it. Oh my goodness sakes, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is where dreams are made. This is exactly what I wanted. All of my beautiful friends I get to do this with, this is where it all happens. I love it, and I love this. It's just perfect.
okay, so we finished phase 1 upstairs, your master bedroom and
Love it.
bathroom and the office, and then next week we're gonna be back and we're gonna totally revitalize her downstairs.
There's more!
It's
Yay!
gonna be awesome. So what do you think?
I just love it so much. It's
Yeah.
just, it's like a paradise. It's
Yeah.
like a hotel. It's like cozy. It's sweet. It's serene.
It's your oasis,
It's
right?
it's my oasis.
Yeah, that's the
Wow.
word. We kept saying
I don't-
that.
Yes,
Yeah.
and thankfully you did a great job in my office. Otherwise, I'd never leave my bedroom. So I can still get work done.
You can go to both.
Yes. Just knowing that you did it and your heart went into it makes me love it even more. You're just the best. Thank you so much. I love it so much. Love it.
Yay!
So, look at this closet. I have never had my closet look this good. Color coordinated.